If you're the head office for a multi-branch firm, you're in charge of configuring Property File for your agency. Open up Property File and first of all confirm your subdomain. This should be your agency name as you'd like it to display. This is company-wide rather than branch-specific, so you need to ensure it is generic. Once you have activated Property File, you will not be able to change this name. Fill in the contact information. This should be a member of staff, ideally someone who is a super user in Expert Agent so that they can access this configuration, and it should be someone who is authorised to make decisions on your use of Property File. Fill in an email address and a contact number. If you wish, these can be generic contact details for your branch rather than those of an individual. Next, you need to decide which of your branches will be the main branch for Property File. So, who do you want to be able to access this configuration? Most likely, you'll choose your Expert Agent head office just for continuity. You'll then see all of your remaining branches listed here. If you'd like each of your individual branches to have use of e-signing on Property File, you simply need to click, drag and drop to position them in your Selected Branches column. While you're first looking at this, you can amend it in any way you wish, but once you've clicked the Activate Property File button at the bottom, you will only be able to add additional branches. You will not be able to remove branches which you had in the selected column when you clicked Activate. So, if you do have a branch which you initially configured to use Property File, but you want to remove them at a later date, you'll need to log a support ticket and one of our team will look at this for you. You will be able to add any branches at any point though, so if you open a new branch or one of your existing branches want to start using Property File, you will find them in your Available Branches column. Once you're happy with the branch selections you've made here, click to activate Property File. Now that your Property File is activated, you need to launch General Configuration. This will take you to a new tab in your browser showing your Property File dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do from here is manage your modules. You can turn on the e-signing module and then save at the bottom and confirm your changes. Clicking through into General Configuration, you need to confirm you're happy with how your agency name is displayed and check that your website address has pulled through as well. Note, you must ensure that you have the HTTP at the beginning of your web address. Depending on how you've entered your web address into Expert Agent, that beginning may or may not be there. If it's not there, you can just hard type it in manually. You'll have this pop up to remind you that you do need the HTTP before the address. If you make any changes on here, click Save. Looking at notification settings next, you can choose to whom you would like an email sent to confirm when an e-signing document has been signed by each individual party. You can either have an email reminder sent to the negotiator who sent the document for e-signing originally, or you can set up a custom email and put in one specific email address to which you would like all e-signing notifications to be sent. When you've confirmed these information, click Save and Confirm. Looking at colour scheme next, this will allow you to choose the colours which display in the emails you're sending out for e-signing. If you'd like to edit any of the colours here, you can click into the options and either select a colour using the colour picker, or you can fill in a colour code to ensure you have the exact right details. Do make sure that you adjust the text colour if needed as well, and then save. The final thing to do is upload your logo. Clicking Choose File will take you out to your computer, so you can find your company logo wherever you've got it saved, and then click Open. Once your logo is attached, click Save, and you'll see it displayed for you on the left. You can now go back into your Expert Agent configuration.